Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now today I'm going to go through in more detail the whispering technique for you. Now, the whispering technique comes from Neville Goddard, and it is a technique based on the idea that you can influence others and your reality by mentally whispering an intention to a specific person while in a relaxed and meditative state. Now, it is a mental exercise, and you've got to get into a relaxed and drowsy state. Before sleep is a good time to do it. And you're going to imagine yourself whispering something specific, something that you would like, something that you would enjoy, something you would like to experience to this person, okay? Now, the key idea is, because Neville's into everyone is you pushed out, it is a concept that your assumptions about people shape how they behave towards you in your direction, okay? So, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. There are 5 steps. Number 1, get into a relaxed state, okay? You lay down or you sit quietly, close down your eyes, and you enter this state. And this is when your subconscious and your conscious is the most open and receptive, okay? Number 2, you're going to visualize the person clearly, what they're wearing, see them perhaps standing or sitting down. And then you're going to focus on their presence and their energy, okay? How they are, receptive, smiling, and they're ready, okay? It might be also you prefer to see them lying next to you or sitting opposite at a kitchen table. You choose which is the easiest for you to imagine. Number 3, you're going to mentally whisper your message. So you're going to say something to them. I think the messages that are the most for mutual benefit are the best. I mean, there's examples of, you love talking to me, you want to be with me, but that to me is a bit get. So I personally wouldn't use the whispering technique that way. I did years ago because that's all I knew then, but when you know better, you can do better. So it's a case of, how about we go to the beach and enjoy a wonderful picnic together, mutual benefit. How about we go to that movie that's just been released and then we go to our favorite Thai restaurant? Try and build your whispering from that place of mutual, that they get something out of it too, okay? So then what you do is you imagine their reaction, the smile, the nod, as if they're understanding, and that you then repeat it, okay? I would repeat it half a dozen times, your statement. Repeat it, pause, see their reaction. Repeat it, pause, see their reaction. The nod, the smile, the words of, yeah, let's do that, okay? Step number 4, feel the emotional impact, okay? You're going to feel the outcome as if it's already true. How would you feel if this was happening right now? What you're whispering to them, okay? And the emotions help impress the message. It's an impress, okay? They call it impress, into your subconscious and the shared universal mind, okay? Number 5, let it go, okay? Don't obsess. Don't get to the point where you're doing it 50 times a day. Let it go. Once your message is sent, let it unfold. Trust it's happening. Trust it's going towards its target, and that your inner world is influencing your outer experience, okay? So, now a little bit more I've written down about this. There is also how to use it for a specific relationship, okay? Say we're talking about a romantic relationship, a specific person, an ex, a boss, a family member, a friend, whoever it is. I'm going to give you an example of a scenario, okay? You want this person to reach out, okay? So you relax, you visualize your ex walking into the room, and you imagine whispering to them. You're using, I think, putting your hands around and getting close to their ear is a really good way to do it. Okay, so it gives you something visual to do. Okay, and you might whisper, let's go and have a fantastic weekend away together. And then you put where you want to go. Okay? You see them smile and respond, and it shows they've received it. Okay? And then you feel as if the conversation is real and you're getting ready to go and you're excited about packing your bag. Okay? Then you release it and you move on with your day, or you drift off into sleep. Now, tips for being effective. Be consistent, but don't be obsessive. Focus on the positive, loving intention, not it being a manipulation or control. Align your beliefs and your assumptions during the day. Don't undo the whispering technique by doubting it afterwards. And try it before sleep or upon waking is, I think, the times where you're the most relaxed. Your day is beginning or your day is over. Okay? Now, you use this as a personal development tool rather than a method of control, and always respect the other person's autonomy. So, these are the ways you can use it. Now, I'm going to add one more thing. You can use it also for money. So, you would go in, do these things, exactly the steps, and you would imagine seeing a big pile of money in your currency, and you would whisper to money, come and play with me. I need you. Something, make it fun. You don't want to say I need you because you don't want to be needy, but come and play with me. Come and enjoy. Let's go and do stuff together. Let's go and buy things. Let's go and spread some joy for other people. Whisper some of those things to money. This is a great way to really build a fun connection with money as well. All right, so play around with it. I've done a whole playlist on the whispering technique over the years. So I'll put the playlist up here so you can click on that. And also, for those of you that don't know about the memberships are live on this channel now. You can get access to these videos earlier than the public does on the channel. You can get access to a live chat with me once a month. You can get access to getting some of your personal questions answered in the memberships only videos. And I do some giveaways as well. So if you want to join in and get that more personal touch, then that's there for you. And for those of you that don't, the private videos are there, but the public channel will continue. All right? Lots of love, everyone. See you in the next YouTube.